right now? Are you serious? Are you serious right now? Are you stinking serious? Oh my gosh, dude. I mean, like, seriously? Please hit this. I double dog dare you. GoPro, start recording. Oh yeah, dude. Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me? Oh, look at this little dude, man. Are you serious right now? Oh, yes, dude. I got you, boy. Oh. Here, buddy. Yeah. Yes. Look at that one. Nice chunk, man. 3 different baits I threw down there. He hammered the swim jig. I finally caught it on this little guy. Look at this dude. That's a nice 2-pound chunk. So let me give you a little recap. Hope you can hear me. Check, check, check. Can you see me? Yeah, probably. Let's tilt this up just a little. So, just doing a midday update. It's almost 11. It is 11. Came here trying to throw some crappie jigs up here at Echo Bay. About to crash the boat. The water is up a lot. Oh, we don't beach the boat. Go. Something jumping all over. I think it's a shad spawn going on. There's a big old hawk or something over there. Been throwing this crappie jig all day. Most of the day. Caught a few smallmouth on it. Crazy enough. Smallmouth on it. So I was like, let's get a picture of this boat really quick. It has been there a long time, but you can actually see it. I don't know what it is. You don't ever see a boat with those skags underneath it. That's little something. So we've been throwing some little crappie jigs. Oh, there's a dead crappie. Huh. Isn't that what that is? Or is that a tilapia? I don't know. That's a crappie. Why is it dead? Poor guy, someone let it go and it died. Huh. It's a nice crappie. Was. That's what we've been trying to catch. So I picked up the swim jig. Haven't caught any crappie. Picked up the swim jig. Got a daggum crappie on it. But I couldn't get it to the boat. Maybe there's some in here. There's a crappie right there. That's what we've been trying to catch. Anyways, we've caught a few smallmouth. Nice smallmouth actually. One was, I got it on video. But the other one I got pictures of. It was a little bit bigger. This thing has been, something hit that thing right there. That was awesome. This is a giant fish. Oh, please stay on. Oh my goodness, dude. I cannot believe I just did that. Oh, it's a big old stupid striper. And he's foul hooked. Dang it. Get in here. Look at this stupid striper. Came off in the boat. Striper. Well, that was cool. Jerk bait. Come here. Dude. That's a nice striper. Huh. That's a nice one. That's a little smallmouth or something. Oh, come here, buddy. You didn't see the crappie I just put in the live well, but you can see this little smallmouth right here. Come here, boy. Stop it. Ouch. What the heck is that? A big old crappie? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Look at the size of that one. Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. And there's more down there. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.